Alright, hello. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'll be discussing my program code called LexiWord or LexiWord. In this program, I created the purpose of this game or this program was to help users expand their vocabulary. And to do that, we allow the user to play a game known similar to Wordle, where the user gets to guess a word and the program tells them if the word is in the right place or if the word is in the word but not in the right place. And then after they're given 6 guesses every time. And if they get the word right or wrong, regardless, they will be given the definition of the word. And here. But you have to remember this is a computer science principles project. I am still in high school, so I have to meet certain requirements to pass this project, and one of those requirements was to include a function with a parameter. It never had to be specific. Uh, it could be anything. So I did something simple and asked for the user's name, although we'll never use the user's name. Uh, Here, let me actually fix that. And yeah, it's just this like one-time thing. It could literally be anything. And there you go. You begin to play. You can type in words. And if you're wondering, like, what if you type more than 5 words? Here's what happens. So let's try a word like uh, spread, right? The words that exceed 5 letters just get erased. And if you try to type in numbers, it doesn't work. It just says they're incorrect. And if you keep trying, uh, okay, here we're just gonna take a wild guess. And there you go. It tells you, sorry, the word was Chrome. And if the word is not in the list, so the way it gets the definition of the word is it has a library. So through this library, it, this library has random words. And through that library, the code, the program, here, right, let's take a look right here. Uh, It says for I in range, minimum length guess is 5. So it searches in the range and it looks for 5-letter words. And then it picks the word without telling the user, and then the user has to guess. And then from that afterwards, the user is given um 6 guesses, right? And then if they get it right or not, sorry, the word was. So if no, right here. Sorry, the word was word definition. If word definition, print definition, and it gives you the definition. Else, if it's not in the definition, right? So it finds the definition by looking through this other library called Pi Dictionary, and this Pi Dictionary searches for the word randomly selected by this part and searches it in this library. And if it doesn't find it in the Pi Dictionary, then it will say, sorry, word is not included in our list of definitions. And then it also still will say error, the following error occurred, list index out of the range, right? And then you still have the option to press enter and play again. There you go. And here's an example of it's still not working. There we go. We finally got one. All right. Sorry, the word was karika. The cat cavity in which the large intensive being begins and in which The window opens. Yeah, these are very strange words, abnormal words, but the point is to get you opened to different unknown words you've likely never heard of. That's what makes this LexiWord a game and unique. However, now running through this code, a problem I seem to run into is when you do get the word correct. Here, let's see if I can fix this within this video. If not, I'll fix it off camera. Alright, I think I found the error. It was with the indentations. Here, let's see if that works. Probably not. Oh, no, I don't think it was. Alright, let's try to play this. Alright, let's type in a random name. Oops, not on here. Console. Bob is with Bob. Alright, guess. Alright, still seems to be working. Alright, it still works. Yeah, you see very strange words. Sometimes it's not even in the dictionary because of how weird the words are. Okay, now time to walk you through the code. This part, I don't exactly think I use it at all, which I may take it out later on, but that's still undecided. We'll probably keep it there. And before anyone comes at me, this code was forked by I don't remember user, but it was some guy off YouTube. So this isn't completely my code. Some of it is used from other users, but most of the cool features are created by me. Yeah. So PyFiglet is the font size that allows me to, or allows the program to print out unique font like this. And also, if you choose to quit the game, it says thank you for playing in this cool unique font. So yeah, random. It's a random import that I use to randomly select the word. This is the where it chooses the word, the random word. This is a dictionary. Uh, this is like the what's it called? The where it, like cleans up the fun, like everything. It makes it like nice and neat, more user friendly, if you will. Uh, so yeah, it prints out this where it has your little unique asterisks right there, and then it finds the random word. This is. Let's see if this is needed. There, let's wait. All right, Bob again. All right, it's not needed. Well, look at that big definition. All right, so this code that you see right here was originally when I had a separate document, and it basically l- chose the words from that document, and it was a document where it had just a bunch of list of words. But that was gonna take forever. Creating a document with a bunch of different words was too time consuming. And then not only that, but I would have to create a different, well, I wouldn't. I could still use the library, but at that point, why wouldn't I just use the library again to randomly select the words? So this is what that original code was, or part of it was. We don't need it now because it looks through the library. So, yep. You could read over the comments to see. And this is on Replit, so for those people that uh, want to look over this code and create or fork it, you are free to do so. Go ahead. I am not holding again. I'm not holding you again. Your will. Yeah. Basically, that's basically it. Nothing too. I mean, it was a simple project. These are extra notes. Oh, this would be pretty good. Uh, but I think we're good on that. That could be a good idea, but it's just like it's not really necessary, you know. And with that, put the link of this code in the description if you need any help. Comment below. If too many people have too many questions, I'll just create a second video making a complete rundown of the whole program and ideas that inspired it. And I'll actually find the guy that helped me. And but that's only if people really have questions about it. If not, the internet is your friend, and sure you can find the guy. I mean, I found that would just create Wordle on Python, Replit, and he was the first. He was. I'm pretty sure he was the first result. So, yeah. And that concludes the end of the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. Yeah, yeah, please. It would mean a lot. And yeah, thank you.